Got him on my leg.
Yes.
Yes.
Because that's legendary.
Shit.
Foamy's amazing.
What a legend.
Oh wow.
That demon fly, it's actually gone somewhere.
Foamy is just a legend. In his own name.
Oh.
Foamy. Foamy. Foamy's just chilling on that side now. That's awesome. Foamy's a legend. The most crack-ridden creature on earth, a squirrel which jitters and belts it, just eating.
Oh my god, that's made my day.
Oh wow.
That was epic.
That was.